Hi everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to make your Android phone speak when you plug in the charger. The process is very easy, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, look for Battery Sound Notification app and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Allow all the required permissions by tapping Allow. Now enable the battery sound or notification option inside the app. Make sure the app is allowed to send notifications. Next, go back to the main screen of the app. Tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now select the charging or power connected option. This setting makes the phone respond when you plug in the charger. Enable the text-to-speech feature. Type the message you want your phone to say when charging starts. You can also add a name and description if required. After that, tap on the Save button at the top right corner. Now plug the charger into your phone. Your phone will speak the message you set. This is how you can make your Android phone talk while charging. It makes charging more fun and personalized. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.